In this class, we are going to solve a right triangle problem. The given condition is ABC is a right triangle with the angle C is 90 degrees. If the angle B is 30 degrees and BC is 3 feet, the question asks for what is the length of AC? Now, let us to solve this problem. First, we let AC be x. Because AC and BC are two sides of the right angle C, so AC and BC are legs of the right triangle, and AB is opposite the right angle C, so AB is a hypotenuse. In the right triangle ABC, the angle B is 30 degrees, which is opposite the AC. So, AC is 1/2 of AB. So AB equals to 2 times AC. And AC is x, so AB equals to 2x. In any right triangle, the side which opposite the right angle is a hypotenuse. The square of the hypotenuse equals to the sum of the square of two legs. So AB square equals to AC square plus BC square. AB equals to 2x. So 2x square equals to AC is x. AC square is x square plus BC. In given condition, BC is 3 feet. BC square is 3 square. 2x square equals to 2 square multiply x square. 2 square is 4 multiply x square equals to x square plus 3 square is 9. Now, we move x square to the left side of the equation. So, 4x square subtract x square equals to 9. 4x square subtract x square equals to 3x square. The right side is number 9. Now, we divide by 3 on both sides of the equation. 3 divided by 3. So, x square equals to 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now we get two solutions. One solution is square root 3. Another solution is minus square root 3. Because x is a side AC, which must be a positive number. So this solution, you should drop this solution. So AC equals to square root 3 feet. So in this triangle, the length of AC is square root 3 feet. Thank you for watching.